Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today I'm going to teach a new topic from grammar. Okay, this will be the second topic. The topic name would be one and many. The topic name would be one and many. One and many. This already we have studied. We are just going to see this some new things also here. Okay. The topic is one and many. So to start with, first we have to know what are singular noun and plural noun. Okay, there are two types of noun here. That is singular and another one is plural. First one is singular noun. What is a singular noun? A noun which names only one person, one animal, okay, and bird or place or thing. Only one if it is specifying. If it is representing only one, then that noun is known as singular noun. A noun which names only one person, animal and bird, place or thing is known as singular noun. Okay, if it is representing only one noun, then it is called as a singular noun. Okay, so another one is, one we saw that is singular noun. Another one, what I said, plural noun. Yes, a noun which names a person, animal and bird, place or a thing, more than one is known as plural. So there we are seeing only one noun. Okay, one person, one bird, one animal. Here more than one if you have. For example, it will be 2, 3, 4 like that. If we have, then we call it as plural noun. Okay, if only one is there, we call it singular. Single means one. So singular, if you have only one, we call it a singular noun. If we have 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, like 4 birds, 4 cats, 3 dogs, like that, if you have the count, then it is called as plural. Okay, that is called as plural noun. Okay, singular means one, plural means more than one, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, so I will just show you some examples here. First picture, you can see a cat. Only one cat is there. If you are having only one cat, no, that then it is called as one cat. Okay, CAT, cat is written there. Similarly, if you have more than one, that is, you can count it here. How many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, right? How many cats are here? See, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 cats are there. So we are putting a yes here. Cat, cats. Okay, this side you have only one cat. Here you have 3 cats. So 3 are there. So we call them cats. We are adding a yes there. Okay. If you have only one, we will write CAT, cat. If you have more than one, that is, here you have 3. So we call it as cats. We are adding a yes there. I have put a dash below. Can you all see there? So we have to add yes for many. Okay, one and many, singular and plural. So if you have only one, we call it as singular noun, and if you have many, like more than one, here we have 3, so we call it as plural cats. We will be adding only one yes at the end. The next example, again we can see how many dog there. First we have one dog. Okay, here we have one dog in the first one. Here how many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 and we are putting a yes here. I have underlined dog, D-O-G, dog. one dog. Here many dogs. We are adding yes. Yes is, when you add yes, it is plural. Okay. One and many. This is plural. Okay. The next picture. How many car you have here? In the first picture you have one car, and here you have 1, 2, 3. So you have many. So 3 cars are there. So we say cars. We will add a yes. The first picture we have only one car. Here we have 3 cars. Okay, when you have more than one, we call it as cars. We will add an yes to it. Okay. Now there is another concept. We saw like one and many. So first the picture will be, if you have one, we will say as a cat, dog, like that. When you have more, we will say cats, dogs, cars. We will add an yes. Now the next will be loaf. We are last letter. You see the last letter F, right? When you see F, we are going to add this side. We have to remove the F and write VES. So here we are going to remove the F and add VES. Okay. So loaf. Whenever you have, when you see the alphabet F, we are going to remove that F. Remove means cut. So we have to take the F and add VES. So many are there, no? So loaf, loaves. When you see the F at last, we have to add VES at the, we have to remove the F and add VES. Okay, whenever you see an F, when you are writing for singular or plural, when you see in the singular side F at the last, we are going to remove the F and add VES. Okay, at the end. Okay, so loaf, loaves, loaf, loaves. Okay, loaf, loaves, loaves. Okay, so this is what is the first thing. So first we saw we are going to just add yes to the given words. Now the second one, if you see an F, see a F, we are just going to remove the F and add VES. Okay, instead of F, we are going to add VES. Okay, this is one second one. Now third one is baby, babies. So whenever you see a Y here, we are going to add IES. Okay, whenever in any word, if you see Y at the last, when you are writing singular and plural, if you see a Y, we are going to change it with IES. Okay, when you have Y, we are going to change it as IES. Okay, baby means babies, we will say. Okay, if you see an if you see F, we are going to change it as VES. We are going to remove the F and change it as VES. Similarly, when you see Y at the last of the word, we are going to change it as IES. Remove the Y, cut the Y. We are going to cut the Y and write IES. Baby, babies. Okay. Similarly, we have 4 types here. If you see a X there, box, then you are going to replace it. You are going to just add ES to it. Box, boxes. When you have X there, you are going to add ES. We are not going to remove. We are just going to add ES to it. When you see X, we are going to add ES to it. Okay, when it comes to singular plural, whenever you see X at the last, we are just going to add ES to the word. Okay, so hope you all are understanding it. Okay, so I'll just go with the next one. So this is what I was telling. Okay, Whenever you are seeing a Y at the last of the word, we are going to write IES. We have to remove the Y and write IES. Okay, we are going to remove the Y and write IES. Whenever you are seeing the alphabet Y at the last of a word, we are going to remove the Y, cut the Y and write IES. Okay. And same way, when you see F at the last or FE at the last, we are going to change it with remove F or FE and add VES. Okay. We are going to remove the F or FE, cut this. If you see at the end of the word these two letters, you are going to just letters, you are going to change this as VES. When I show you some example, it will be more clear for you. Okay. Similarly, if the word ends with X or H, then we are going to add ES. We are going to add ES. Whenever you see the letter X or H, we are just going to add ES. We are not going to cut anything here. The first two only we are going to cut and add. Whenever you see X or H, we are just going to add. We will not remove any letter from it. Okay, children? So, whenever you see a Y, you will add IES. When you see F or FE at the last, you will remove and add VES. And in the last, whenever you see X or H, we are just going to add ES to that word. So, these are the three things you have to remember when you are writing singular and plural. Okay. Now, here just circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. We are just going to circle the singular nouns. When it is representing only one thing, we call it as a singular noun. And if it is representing more than one, that is 2, 3, 4, then we are going to represent it as plural noun. Okay, here we are going to circle the singular noun and underline the plural noun. So we just have these words here. Okay, we are just going to circle the singular noun when it is only one. So then we are going to circle. Okay, so here nation, we don't have yes or anything, so we are going to circle the singular noun. Calves, we can see here VES, so it is a plural, so we are going to underline it. Okay, whenever here down you can see cities, we are having ES, so it is plural, we are just underlining it. Okay, then again you can see here BES at the last, knives, so we are going to underline, it is a plural word. Here also IES is there for cities, so it will be plural. Okay, what about this story, we have Y at the last, it is singular, so circle it. Okay, and then you have bat, only one, so it is also singular. And elf, we have only one elf, ELF is there, no, so it is singular. Cave also we don't have any yes, IES, VES, anything, so it is also singular. And box is also singular. Okay, here box is singular, elf is singular, right? Cave is singular, nation is singular, story is singular, bat is singular. These are the words that represent singular. Okay, it is singular. Nation, only one is there, nation. When we represent nation, it is only one. Story, it is one. If we say stories only, it will become plural. So story is one only, so it is singular. And then here cave, you have cave here, which is a singular. Okay, and which are the plural? We are just going to underline the plural nouns. Okay, this is plural because it ends with VES. Okay, this is plural because it ends with IES. Right? So next is knives. This also ends with VES. So it is, we are underlining because it is plural. And nurses, here also it ends with ES, right? The last two letters you see here, ES it is. And here for knives it is VES, and for cities it is IES, and for calves it is VES. Here you can see VES. And you have trees, ES, last two letters you see, E and S is there. And again chocolates, ES is there. Okay, these are plural. So the words which ends with IES, VES, ES are plural nouns. Okay, so this is the difference you should know. So when you see the alphabets or in the word ends with these letters, VES, IES or ES, then those words are plural. Okay, those words are plural words. Okay, children. So when you see, whenever you see the words ending with VES, IES or ES, then it is plural. Okay. Okay, shall we move on to the next? Now change the following words into their plural form. We are going to change the words. Singular words are given. We are going to change it as plural words. So the first one we have is road. So what if you want to make it as plural, we are just going to write ROADS, roads. What are we going to write? ROADS. We are going to add yes at the last. Okay, children. So the first one we are going to add ROAD, road, right? So here we are going to write second one, chairs. We are going to add, here I missed the yes, so it will be ROAD, yes, roads. CHAIR, chair. Okay, chairs. We are just going to add an yes there, right? So it will be CHAIR, yes, this R, right? Chairs. Next is cloth is given. So you have to write cloths. So CLOTHES. We have to add ES here. Cloth, no, CLOTH, cloth. Cloths, no, CLOTHES. When you want to make it as plural for cloth, you have here H, right? Whenever you see H, what I told, we have to add ES to the word. You have to write the full word and add ES to it. Whenever the last letter you see is H, then you will change it, add just ES to it. Okay, X or H. When you see, you have to add es to it, right? So now you all tell me, now next word is branch. So the last letter is H. So what we have to do? Very good. We have to add es. Copy the same spelling fully and add es to it. Branches. Okay. So it will be B R A N C H E S. Branch, branches, right? Branches. So first one will be roads, road, roads. Second will be chair, chairs. Okay, we are just going to, here these two we are just adding same spelling you will write and add one yes to it. Here whenever you see H, we are just adding es. Copy the same spelling and add es to it. Okay, this is the same spelling. Cloth, cloth, clothes, cloth, clothes. Okay, so and last one is branch. So you are just seeing a H there. So we are just adding es to it. Okay. This also you just copy in your notebook and you will write it down. Okay. So the next will be same way. We have 5 more words here. Whenever you see Y, what I told, what you have to add? IES. Copy till M. Remove the Y. So E N E M. Instead of this Y, we are going to write I E S. So it will be E N E M I E S. Enemies. So we are going to remove the Y and write E N E M and add IES. We are going to remove the Y and add IES. Okay. So the second one, sixth one, we have the word fairy. Again we have Y. So what we have to do? So F A I R. We are going to remove the Y and add IES. Fairies. Whenever you see Y, we are going to add IES there. Okay. Now next. Here the next word is knife. So here I have told you already, if you have the last word as F or FE, then we have to add VES to the word. So we are going to add VES. So how it will be? KNI. We have to remove this FE and write VES. Knives. So whenever you see an F or FE, remove it and write VES. Okay. Whenever you see F or FE, remove that and add VES. Okay. Now tell me for the 8th one. Shelf. We have an F. We have a F there, right? So it will be SHEL. Cut the F. VES. Shelves. Okay. So whenever you see this F, we have to write F or FE. If you see, you will write VES there. Okay. So we are going to add VES there. Right. Hope you all have understood. Just go through the presentation 2-3 times so that you will get a better idea. Okay, children. Please help the children. And also, children, you just have the project for this topic. It is for the English project. It will be considered as a project for English on the whole. So you have to write 10 nouns. Nouns means name of a person, place, animal, thing, bird, we have seen, right? So you have to write 10 nouns ending with, as I told you, yes, es and ies. The word should end with, for example, we saw now, no, roads. It should end with yes. And then babies. So it will be ies. And then one thing, it has to end with es. Okay, children. So just write 10 nouns sounding with these, ending with these letters, yes, es and ies. You can also draw or stick pictures. Okay, you can draw the picture of those, like a booklet you can make it however you wish. So you have to write the 10 words, and which ends with yes, es and ies. So this will be the project for you. So just do it nicely. Who's going to do nicely, we'll just see. Okay, you're going to draw or paste pictures also for the words, which try to get the pictures, or you try to draw for the words. As I showed you, no, now car means we are showing a car. Like that, you show a picture and then write the word. Okay, so this is a project. Just finish it up, go through the video. uh, we'll see later. Okay, children. um, so with this, just finishing up this topic one and many, and do the projects. Okay, children, we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.